Hi, dear viewers. A warm welcome from all of us at Own Your Beauty. Thank you for spending time with us today. Our channel exists for one powerful reason: to help you look and feel beautiful, healthy, confident. We believe everyone can shine, like a model on the runway or a film star on the red carpet. The secret isn't always in expensive jars or complicated procedures. Often, the best solutions are right at home. So, you might be asking yourself, why a tomato? Of all the fruits and vegetables, what makes this humble red orb so special for your skin? The answer is its nutritional profile, packed with skin-loving compounds. Diagram: nutrients with arrows to vitamin C and lycopene. First and foremost, tomatoes are an excellent source of vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerhouse for the skin. It brightens the complexion, evens out skin tone, reduces dullness, giving that fresh-faced, luminous look. Vitamin C is why many high-end serums work. Tomatoes are also rich in antioxidants, most notably lycopene. Lycopene is the pigment that makes tomatoes red, and it protects. Antioxidants are your skin's bodyguards. They fight free radicals from pollution and from sun exposure. Those stresses accelerate aging and cause dull, tired skin. Applying tomatoes topically delivers these antioxidants directly. That helps skin stay youthful and resilient to daily stressors. It's like a shield of health for your face. Tomatoes also act as a natural astringent. Now that you understand the amazing benefits, let's walk through the routine together. It is very important to follow these steps carefully to get the best possible results. First, gather your supplies. One fresh, ripe tomato, a clean small bowl, a spoon, a soft, clean cloth for drying your face. Your first action, step 1, is to prepare your canvas, your face. You must begin with clean skin. Wash your face thoroughly with lukewarm water. If you normally use a gentle, mild cleanser, feel free to use it now. Once cleansed, gently pat your face dry with the soft cloth. Next comes step 2, preparing the tomato. Take your fresh tomato and wash it well under cool running water to remove any impurities from its skin. Now, carefully slice the tomato in half. For this routine, you will likely only need one of the halves, so you can save the other for a salad or your next treatment. Take one half and, using your small spoon, gently scoop out the pulp and juice into your clean bowl. You can also give the pulp a little mash with the back of the spoon to release more of the juice. If you have a particularly small tomato, you may choose to use the whole thing. Your goal is to create a small amount of fresh, juicy pulp to apply to your skin. Now for the application, which is step 3. Using your clean fingertips or a soft cotton ball, begin to dab the tomato pulp and juice onto your face. Apply it evenly, paying special attention to any areas that you feel are particularly dull, where you might have some blemishes. Be very careful to avoid the delicate area directly around your eyes, and of course, do not let any of the juice get into your eyes. As you apply it, use a gentle circular motion to massage the juice into your skin for about 1 minute. This light massage helps to stimulate blood flow to the surface of the skin, which enhances the glowing effect of the treatment. To elevate the results of your one tomato glow routine, incorporating a quick and easy skin workout can make a significant difference. This simple 1-minute face workout is designed to boost blood flow, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells from the inside out. Better blood flow is a secret weapon for achieving that natural, healthy glow. Here is how you do it. Find a comfortable seated position and sit up straight, relaxing your shoulders away from your ears. This simple exercise will complement the topical benefits of the tomato mask beautifully. Let's begin the workout. First, smile as widely as you possibly can. Hold this wide, expressive smile for a count of 10 seconds. Then, completely relax your face. Next, raise your eyebrows as high as you can, as if you are very surprised. Hold this position for another 10 seconds. Once the 10 seconds are up, relax your face completely again. For the best results, repeat this entire sequence 2 more times. The smile, the eyebrow lift. Performing this quick exercise a few times a week will help to tone your facial muscles and promote that vibrant, rosy complexion. This one tomato glow routine is a perfect example of how small, consistent steps can lead to big, beautiful changes. Small, consistent steps, big, beautiful changes. We encourage you to try it this week and see how your skin responds to this natural kiss of vitamins and antioxidants. Remember to be kind and patient with your skin. True radiance is built over time, through gentle care and healthy habits. For the best results, Aim to do this routine 2 or 3 times a week, but avoid doing it every single day, as your skin needs time to rest and regenerate.